Hi, this is Mahesh from techglimpse.com. Through this video tutorial, I am going to tell about few tips on Google Chrome about pages. Yes, here comes few tips about Google Chrome about pages. First, let's open up Google Chrome pages, and we are going to talk about plugins. If you want to see what are the list of plugins that you have installed for your browser, so here comes. Just type about plugins. This will list all the plugins that are installed for your browser. For example, few plugins which I can show you here. You can just scroll down to see all the plugins like Adobe Flash, Real Player, few things that has been installed, and the Java support that you have in your browser, and Real Jukebox, etc. And if you want to see which version of your browser you have installed on your machine, so you can go to the address bar again and type about version. So this is going to display the information about your browser. You can find which version of the browser that you have installed. So I have Google Chrome 3.0. Okay. The next tip is about Google Chrome crash. So you just type about crash in the address bar. Most of the time you might have experienced browser getting crashed and displays a message, and if you want to see what that message is, then you can just use this about crash. So Google Chrome displays this message when the browser gets. Now we are going to see an interesting tip about histograms. So now this will display graphs of various performance measurements, such as the time taken to autocomplete text field when the user type into the browser. So this is an interesting feature that Google Chrome provides. You can see various performance measurements here. The next tip is a very important tip, you can say. So you can type about memory. So this will display how much memory the browser and any other web browser is using it. So not only the Chrome browser, how much memory it is using, you can find the other web browsers if you have opened, and even so those web browsers memory usage. And this is more convenient for web developers, as it shows how much each website in a browser tab is using. And we are going to see another tip about Google Chrome cache. So Google Chrome stores caching of the websites in a particular folder. This particular command about cache will provide you access to all the cache files that have been stored in the Google cache folder. It displays a list of files stored in the cache folder along with the URL, content type, the file size of the cache particularly, and the server name, everything. So the another tip is about DNS. You can say like this is a very important feature where Google developers describe this as one of the important feature that makes browser speeder by performing DNS prefetching. For example, when you visit a page in Chrome, it looks up the IP address of all the links on that particular page before you actually click on them. So DNS prefetching is done by Chrome, which saves a lot of time, providing speed access to the web pages. You can see few DNS prefetching that have been done by the Chrome. So that's it, friends. We are end of the demo. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye till I catch you with another interesting tip on Chrome. Thank you very much.